Hello, so today we would see the graphic cards error on a laptop, and we would see how to correct this error. So first of all, when you try to open your laptop, you would see a black screen of death, or the computer would not give you any display at all. We would see how we can temporarily fix this issue so you can work on the laptop and get a display actually. So then a logo will load, you would wait for it, and it gives you a black screen, so nothing is happening. Look at that, I'm entering keys, everything. What you have to do is to turn it off and on again until it gives you a warning or something. So let me turn it off again and turn it on again. And it's turned on again. Maybe this time it would give me the error. If it didn't give me, I would turn it on again. It is basically a graphic cards issue. Okay, what I can do is window control shift and B to refresh the graphic card, but I think the driver is missing something. It is not rolling, so I would turn it off again completely and then turn it on again. This time it would give me the error, most probably the third time. Yeah, so what I have to do is press F8 for startup settings. F8. Okay, now I have to select any of these, enable safe mode or enable safe mode with networking. So let me enable the safe mode. I click for, and the safe mode is now enabling. It would give me the windows in safe mode, so from there I can do what it is called is disabled. Okay, so let me enter my password. Now I would right click on the Windows logo, and from here I would go to the device manager, and as you can see in the display adapters, this Intel IRX graphics is enabled. I would just disable this device. Well, do not uninstall it, okay? Because if you uninstall this driver, what Windows would try to do is, if you restarted Windows, would most probably reinstall this driver by itself. So just disable it so Windows would not reinstall it. Now what you have to do is to restart your PC, and then you have to install the corrected drivers or the latest driver. So for example, for my Lenovo, I can install the latest driver, but that is still not working for me. Basically, I have a hardware issue right now. If you have software issue, I would also show you how to fix it. So I have disabled this driver. Now what I can do is restart my computer, and I would enable, so it would be a Microsoft default adapter, which would be working for me right now. So basically you do not have to do high-end tasks with it right now, okay, as my graphic card is disabled. It's good for general purposing like studying, viewing PDFs, browsing through the internet. Everything would be fine with it, but the problem would be that you could not do high-end tasks. So as you can see, I have gained access to this laptop. Now what you can do is go to WinR and select MS Info. MS Info 34 or something, what command was like that? Yes, MS Info 32, enter, and it would show you that my system name is Lenovo and its type is 82. So I can search for this Lenovo V14. You can look for your exact model as well. And you can go to the drivers and softwares in Lenovo. For example, I have this Lenovo, and you can run the automatic scan also to see which drivers are missing. Also, you can select those manual drivers from display and videos, and here are the Intel graphics, so you can download it from here and install the graphics. But this thing doesn't solve my issue, so I would just leave the video right here and stop it. But you can still temporarily use it. Just look at this thing again, that this thing should be disabled, okay? this, okay, it is disabled, so my laptop would be working, but I have to be cautious about things as I could not play games with it. Thank you for today. We would come back with solution part 2 very soon.